Today, I'm gonna prove once and for all that distribution does not matter. There are people that say, oh, you should use this distribution, oh, this distribution, and blah, blah, blah. I just wanna say, there's really not much of a difference in between the distributions. You gotta learn how Linux works. You gotta learn to customize it. That may seem hard to learn, but that's actually pretty easy. For beginners, I'd still recommend Ubuntu, because for one thing, it has the most support. Like, you have good chances of finding support for Ubuntu. And it has a more user-friendly installer than most distros. And if you really want that Windows look and feel, but like you don't know how to customize Linux just yet, then go with Linux Mint. But other than that, it really doesn't matter. And how I'm gonna prove distribution does not matter, I'm gonna answer that question. Can I use Debian like I use Ubuntu? In other words, can I get a Debian installation looking like my Ubuntu installation, which looks like macOS, and just use it as if it were Ubuntu? Now sure, I don't have Ubuntu's branding in the settings, and I can't use PPAs, and I don't have snaps installed by default, but those are just little pieces of Ubuntu. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. I'm going to build up my vanilla Debian installation and try to get it looking like my Ubuntu installation. But without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so now this is my vanilla Debian install with the wallpaper already changed. I configured that in my Debian installation first impressions video, which I encourage you to go check out that video. I'll link that up in the card. And I'm actually using the same wallpaper on my host system, because I just like it better than the macOS Catalina wallpaper. It's just my preference. But anyway, let's actually start this. So, we've already got the GNOME Tweak tool installed. I've already got the files downloaded in my downloads folder. Let's go and extract them. First, let's extract this theme to my .themes folder. Extract that. Actually, you know what? I want to show hidden files, because why not? There we go. And there's my .themes. Okay, and let's actually open up GNOME Tweaks, Appearance, Applications, goes Catalina. Bam! I've already got the theme looking good. Can I do the same with my icon set? Make a .icons folder, extract that. Alright, then let's go back into our GNOME Tweak tool. There you go, our icon set just changed. Now the cursor, put in the same folder. There it is. My cursor looking like my Ubuntu. Okay, but of course, this doesn't stop here. If we could take this as far as installing the other stuff. Alright, so now that we're done here, let's look at our settings. Details, okay. At the moment, you don't have GNOME 3.36, but that's just a little piece of Ubuntu. Now, there are slight differences, but for the most part, it looks the same. So now let's compare this to my host system, which I didn't bother installing all my applications, because I don't really need to do that to make my point. Yeah, and there we go. I can use this like I use Ubuntu. This just really shows distribution does not matter. It may affect little things, but like, other than that, the end result is exactly the same. And yes, it was more complicated, sure. That's why I say Debian is more for a tech-savvy user. So yeah, I think we need to limit the distros I'd recommend for beginners to just Ubuntu or Linux Mint, because Ubuntu has all the support, and it's more beginner-friendly. And Linux Mint has the Windows look and feel out of the box, so it's good for, like, if you don't know how to customize Linux, and also Linux Mint and Ubuntu are pretty similar. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, found it interesting, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment.